There was a girl named Jenny who often kept her head down because she thought she wasn't pretty enough. One day, she went to a jewelry store and bought a red hair clip. The shop owner always said that she looked very beautiful with the new red hair clip. Hearing these words, Jenny felt very happy and held her head high with confidence. She also wanted everyone to see her red hair clip, to the extent that when someone bumped into her, she hardly paid any attention. When she entered the classroom, the teacher exclaimed, "Jenny, you look really beautiful when you lift your head." The teacher even hugged her. That day, the girl received many compliments, and she thought it was all thanks to the red hair clip. However, at the end of the day, when she got home and looked at herself in the mirror, Jenny realized that the hair clip had disappeared. It had fallen off her head when someone bumped into her. Confidence is a form of beauty. However, most people think that beauty is only about outward appearance. That's why many people are not satisfied with themselves. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, cute or not. As long as you can hold your head high with confidence, you will feel happy. That's what makes you look attractive and adorable in the eyes of others.